Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili last longer. The first crucial step is rapid cooling. After cooking, do not leave your chili at room temperature for more than 2 hours. Divide large batches into smaller, shallow containers to speed up cooling. You can even place these containers in an ice bath before refrigerating. This quick cooling prevents harmful bacteria from multiplying, ensuring your delicious chili stays safe and fresh for longer. Once your chili is properly cooled, the next step is correct refrigeration. Always use airtight containers to store your chili. This not only keeps it fresh, but also prevents it from absorbing any unwanted odors from other foods in your refrigerator. Ensure your refrigerator maintains a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. When stored correctly, your homemade chili will stay delicious and safe to consume for about 3 to 4 days, making it perfect for meal prepping. For even longer storage, freezing is your best friend. Once your chili is completely cooled, transfer it to freezer-safe bags or containers. Remember to leave about 1 inch of headspace in containers to allow for expansion as the chili freezes. Don't forget to label each container with the date you froze it. This helps you track its freshness. When properly frozen, your chili can maintain its excellent quality for 4 to 6 months, providing a convenient meal option whenever you need it. When you're ready to enjoy your frozen chili, safe thawing and reheating are essential. The best method is to thaw it slowly in the refrigerator overnight. Alternatively, use the defrost setting on your microwave for a quicker option. Always reheat your chili thoroughly until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a food thermometer to confirm. For food safety, avoid refreezing chili once thawed. Enjoy your perfectly preserved meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.